The remnants of that severe weather across the plains that moved through today, bringing us some much needed rainfall. Now going into today, we were running just over 3.5 inches drier than average since the start of meteorological fall back on September 1st. But today, the Rockford Airport recorded about 1/4 inch of rain, and there is more on the way. Even some spots near Monroe and Freeport even got over 1/2 inch of rain today, but with much more it looks like on the way, especially for some spots. As we look on ExactTrack radar, you can see how we have our next round of rain now starting to enter the state of Illinois from Missouri. This did bring some more severe weather to Oklahoma earlier on today, and now it's moving into our area. Of course, it's now weakened. We're not looking at any kind of severe weather tonight, but as we look dry right now on ExactTrack radar, that does change. As we put FutureTrack into motion, we'll see that rain moving into our area overnight and especially into the very early parts of tomorrow morning. Around sunrise here on FutureTrack, you can see most of the rain is pushing towards Chicago. That's been a trend in the latest model runs, but we'll of course keep an eye on that. Nonetheless, just expect some showers rolling through over the course of the morning. Should be drying out though as we head towards the middle of the morning, however, we will still see some patchy drizzle, maybe some spotty light rain showers throughout the day, but more dry time than not as we head into about the middle of the day and the early afternoon. Into the evening hours, we'll see some more showers popping up from time to time, but we'll be waiting for the third round to come in. This will be much more widespread and heavier rain too. Even some embedded thunderstorms could have some gusty winds with them coming in as we head after dark tomorrow. This will continue rolling through. You can see very heavy rain at times. This is where we're watching out for that localized flooding into late Monday night. Thankfully, it's pretty much when we're heading to bed, but still just something to keep an eye on, that we have some heavier rain rolling through. That generally moves out with some more patches of scattered showers and thunderstorms and heavier rain as we head into early Tuesday morning as polls open on election day. But then during the day on Tuesday, we will be seeing that rain turning much more scattered throughout the day, even seeing a couple of bands setting up. And this band right here will actually be the cold front that ends up pushing out all that rain as we head into Tuesday evening. So when all is said and done, with the round coming in overnight, about up to 1/2 inch, especially closer to DeKalb. And then as we head into Tuesday, that's going to be really the big round that we're talking about here, with upwards of 1 inch possible, maybe even localized spots over 2 inches of rain with that third round coming in. And where we see that heavier rain, that's where we're watching out for localized flooding, especially for urban and low-lying areas. So we'll have to watch out for that. And also we'll have some warmer temperatures too with these systems coming in. Daytime and nighttime temperatures will be in the 60s, and that will likely break tomorrow's record warm low temperature that was set in 59 just 2 years ago. So as we look at the election day forecast for Tuesday, we will see that we continue to have some rain showers and some thunderstorms early on, and then tapering off towards lunchtime. And then by the time polls close, we are looking dry, albeit still pretty cloudy out there, with temperatures starting to cool off into the middle of the week as we dry things out. But in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we'll notice still seasonably warm temperatures as another push of rain comes in next weekend. Sam.